This is a story of Dave and Sharon finally living their dreams of sailing to the Caribbean and beyond. Join us while we share our adventures from getting the boat ready and embarking on our cruising life. So it's pretty tricky sailing. There are all these fishing boats with their nets out. There's one here. And there's one out there, and we're going in between. We're not going around because our sails will not work. This is how the wind is keeping it, but we are just keeping an eye on the netting. Looks like they are in here cleaning their nets off. Bringing them back in. Pelicans and birds are catching whatever's left over. We're heading into Sandy Point, north of Deltaville in the Chesapeake. This is our anchorage at Sandy Point.
And our buddy boat for a while.
Our buddy boat for a while.
That's
SV Pegaso with Tom. Very nice anchorage. Fishing in the sunset. Crabbing. He has a fishing pole and a piece of meat hanging down. Our buddy boat, SV Pegaso, going in for fuel and enjoying time on his boat. So while we're here at Sandy Point outside of Reedville, we have a pirate boat. Looks like a touristy thing because we don't have pirate boats in the US, in the Chesapeake. Are they gonna come board us? I don't know. But we're kind of wondering why they came here. Or are they just trying to get out of the storm that's coming? Because I hear thunder. There's a big storm coming. And they're saying it's really going to be a bad storm. I don't know. It's right there. Can you see it? Here's our buddy boat, Tom. It's pretty rough. This is looking out the back end. Because...
great. I can see it coming across. See this back and forth we're doing? Here, that will not happen if I build that other.
God, look at this. This is a storm. Oh, a storm. Reedville. That's the end of Reedville. Beautiful houses. We're with our a friend we met, Tom. This is Reedville Market. We ate lunch. They're usually only open at night. On Sundays it's during the 10 to 3 lunchtime. Very expensive and not lots of food. Reedville Railway, old truck. We left Sandy Point and headed up the Potomac to make a stop at Dave's cousin's farmhouse. We anchor way out and dinghy in and then follow a trail to their house. They have a beautiful expanse of yard and house. Here's a quick tour of the inside. It's a really cool place with a lot of antiques. Beautiful grounds and a wonderful place to visit and enjoy family.
Last night we had a wonderful dinner with Cindy and Lance Marston, my cousins. And we are now heading towards Solomon, up in the bay. We are actually sailing for the first time. No motor. There we go. Between 5 and 6 knots. Started off around 4 knots, and once I get around a point, I hit some better winds, 12, 13 knot winds, so the waves are slowing us down a little bit, but we are sailing. No motor. It's nice to be quiet.
We are in the Solomons, which is in Maryland. Taking a dinghy ride in to visit the Calvert Marine Museum.
There's Huntress. There's Tissot.
Here in 1975.
Where was this?
Did
drum?
Drum Point.
Drum point.
Were they able to float it, or did they disassemble it?
They didn't disassemble it, but they cut all the pilings at the bottom and then picked it up by a barge and just basically pushed it forward because it was too heavy to keep on a barge. They would pick it up and push it forward.
Okay.
Yeah. And so they would do that a lot.
That was probably.
Can we go up?
Yep, you're all welcome to go up. Just watch your head on the way up. When you come back down, use it like a ladder, not a staircase, and so face the stairs and walk backwards down it.
Yes, we have boats. Those two out there.
Oh.
Watch your back, actually. Not your head.
Drum Point Lighthouse was moved from near the mouth of the Patuxent River, or Pax River, to its present location in 1975. This is a screw-pile cottage-type lighthouse. After it was decommissioned, it fell to vandals until it was moved to its present location and restored. You can take a tour of the lighthouse and learn more about it.
Oh,
First Newlands.
look at that.
They look bigger than you are.
Yeah.
Oh, and you can go outside.
Well, it's locked.
But you can go outside, yeah, because people could fall off. Oops.
Too hot for me. So you can get a picture right there, the boats, right there.
This is the Patuxent Small Craft Center, where volunteers maintain historic boats and preserve the art and skills of wooden
These will
boat
all
building.
go away once we're done. We got the forms up, and then we ran the ribands down. And basically what we're looking for is nice smooth lines. So if you can see here, we shimmed this one out a little bit. And this one here, we took a plane and shaved it down a little bit to make the lines nice and smooth.
This is a steamer.
This is a small craft building which houses 20 different small crafts, such as a dugout canoe. This is a marsh walk, which goes over the flats of a natural salt marsh, where you can learn how marshes work.
It's like the modern trolling motors.
This is almost all like the stuff you looked at, or we looked at the other museum.
Estuarine Biology Gallery is a place where you will find a variety of diverse marine life found in the Chesapeake Bay.
Blue crab is in here somewhere. There it is. What they have created to come up with a long, long time ago shark.
Skates and rays, which are really a flattened cousin of the shark.
The boardwalk. What is this? Solomon's Island? That's it. And then they have a bunch of places over here. It's a cute little chapel.
That one, let's keep going.
We want to say thank you to all of our viewers who have subscribed and commented. We appreciate your support and feedback. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps us build our channel up so we can keep bringing you more videos.